to the world of shapes. Oh, my dear ones, so you're here now? These are the different shapes that you studied in classes 1 and 2. What is this shape? What is this shape?
Circle.
And this is a...
Square.
And what is that?
Rectangle.
How many sides has it got?
3 sides.
Yeah, 3 sides and
3 corners.
3 corners. Triangle has 3 sides and corners, whereas a circle, no corners, no sides. Square and rectangle, 4 sides and 4 corners. And rectangle has a speciality.
Its opposite sides are equal.
Very good. So these are the plane shapes that you've learned in classes 1 and 2. Oh, Ali, you can ocean. You're spending time in playing football, enjoying holidays. Okay, anyhow, this is a round shape, isn't it?
Yes.
Can you recall any plane shape?
Circle.
Yes, very good. Circle. It has some relation with the circle. But how? How did the circle become like this? Watch it.
Circle started eating a lot so that it becomes fat and completely round. So once it ate a lot, it actually became a different shape. Well, a football or even this ball, they have a common shape because they are completely round. And what do we call this shape? Well, we call it a sphere. Circle wanted to gain lot of height. It wanted to become tall like this. So what did it do? Well, circle started doing pull-ups. So circle worked very hard. And what exactly happened because of that? Well, circle started becoming taller and taller. So we got a new shape. Even a battery or this particular can have this unique shape. And what do we call this shape? Well, this shape is called a cylinder.
Hello, Alia. You are playing with Rubik's Cube? Yes. I am trying to make same color. You are so brilliant. You want to try? Yes.
Nimisha, you're playing with Rubik's Cube?
Yes.
Yes. And Leah tried that? Yes, let me see. Okay, can you notice anything about the faces? Which shape it is?
Square.
Square. It is square in shape. Then what about this side?
It is square.
Then here?
Also square.
So we have so many squares. Do you know how it became like this?
Yes.
Do you want to see?
Yes.
So let's watch this.
Now square was very flat. So he wanted to become thick and strong. So he started doing push-ups. And what exactly happened because of that? Well, square's shape changed. This shape is called a cube.
So you got a cube in hand. But our cube now is not happy. He wants to become longer. You know what he is going to do? Let's see. What is it?
Cube wanted to become taller. So it started doing pull-ups. And once it started doing pull-ups, it started changing. So its shape started changing and it became taller. So cube converted into this shape. Now what exactly is this shape? It looks like a stretched out cube, isn't it? We call this shape a cuboid.
A special shape, na? browses sheep on roads, football grounds, etc. Can you recollect any shape which you have studied?
Triangle.
Ah, it's a triangle. Very good. You are remembering everything. So it's the shape of a triangle, isn't it? So how did it become like this? Shall we watch it?
You will say this is a triangle, isn't it? This shape is a triangle shape. But what now? Will you still call it a triangular shape? It looks like it's curved from all angles, isn't it? Well, this is not a triangular shape. But how did we achieve this shape? From where did this shape come? Well, the triangle took a magical turn and it became this shape. So, triangle rotated and it became this shape. This shape, which is the shape of a party hat, is called a cone.
So next we are going to play hide and seek. You know the 5 shapes you have seen. Which are the 5 shapes you have seen now? The cube, cuboid, then sphere, cylinder and the cone. Okay? Now we have hidden so many things inside this pot which are related to these shapes. What you have to do is you have to go and seek for it and then what do you have to do? If you are finding a sphere-like thing, you have to keep it here. A cylindrical thing has to be kept here. Then the conical things or which have the shape of a cone has to be kept here.
Next we have a cube, and cube shaped things you have to keep here. Cuboid you have to keep here.
So here we go. So, my dear children, wasn't it that exciting?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
So, how many things of different shapes have you gathered? 16 things you explored. 16 things. Like this, you can find several things. So, what all did you learn today? First, we had a look at the plain shapes. Circle, square, rectangle and triangle. These were the plain shapes and you learned in the smaller classes. After that, you saw how these shapes are becoming bigger shapes. Isn't it? Now, which one are those shapes? And the plain shapes are called the 2D shapes and the bigger ones are called the 3D shapes. So, how was it, my dear children? Did you enjoy?
Yes.
What all did you learn? You learned about different shapes, isn't it? And try to see the 3D shapes or the plain shapes wherever you go. There are so many things. Okay?
Yes.
So now it's time for us to depart or leave. So thank you and goodbye.